Let's take a look at this goldfish. Not in there. This one. This is by Pepperidge Farm. Goldfish baked snack crackers. This is the pizza flavor. 100% real cheese. Don't worry about the expired date though. This was done before that. Costs around 260 rupees or $3 or so. Made with smiles and enriched wheat flour, vegetable oil, canola, sunflower and soybean, tomato paste, cheddar cheese. Contains 2% or less of salt, yeast, baking soda. This is celery and paprika extract. Color mono calcium phosphate and onion powder. This pack has around 120 calories. So let's taste it. That's how many you get. That's how the goldfish looks. That has a nice pizza-like flavor to it. Nice cheesy flavor too. And the shape makes it really fun to eat. Quite a tasty cracker. Quite nice. Check it out. This video was made at Novotel in Visakhapatnam at Andhra Pradesh in India. This is where the video was made.